What's up everyone, and welcome to the Poke Rage channel. And you guys love Pokemon, right? I'm sure you guys played the games growing up, you collect the cards, I'm sure you watch a TV show. But today I'm going to be talking about the history of Pokemon. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are aware of where it came from or how it all started. I would be doing more openings, but I'm not rich like some of these other guys over here who have a ton of vintage and apparently just like an endless stock of Pokemon cards. But which is awesome. I wish I could be like that one day, hopefully. Anyway, so yeah, today we're going to talk about Satoshi Tajiri. Sorry if I butcher that name. The creator of Pokemon, and this is going to be like a little bit of a 4-part series just to pass the time and get you guys more acquainted with where Pokemon came from. Let's take you all the way over to Japan, where Satoshi Tajiri is from. He lived in a town called Machida, which is a suburban area of Tokyo. This place, filled with nature and teeming with insect life, was the playground of Tajiri's childhood and became the breeding ground of the Pokemon world. Tajiri was so passionate about his bug collecting hobby that his friends nicknamed him Dr. Bug. Little did they know, this childhood fascination would grow into a worldwide phenomenon. Tajiri's idea for Pokemon started when he saw a Game Boy and its ability to communicate between devices. He pictured insects crawling along the link cable between two Game Boys, and this imagery led to the concept of creatures, aka Pokemon, or pocket monsters, being transferred between devices. And in 1996, this vision came to life when Tajiri and Ken Sugimori, again, sorry if I'm butchering these names, who later became the illustrator of the original 151 Pokemon, released Pokemon Red and Green through the company Game Freak. The initial sales of the games were not overly impressive, however. The games contained a secret Pokemon, Mew, that was only supposed to be accessible through promotional events. Due to a programming quirk, players discovered a way to capture Mew, and the rumor of the secret Pokemon spread like wildfire, shooting the game's popularity into the stratosphere. The original designs of the Pokemon were based on a variety of real-world influences. Pikachu, arguably the franchise's most popular character, was based off of a squirrel. Now this part is weird because if you look on the original base set card of Pikachu, it says Mouse Pokemon, so I just find it, I don't know why they would, why not say Squirrel Pokemon on the card? I just find it crazy to me. I don't know. This is weird. Anyway, its design was intended to be cute, but also mysterious. The yellow chubby rodent we all know and love was an instant hit among players. That's going to be it for part 1. I know it's super short, but like I said, it's going to be like a mini series broken up into 4 parts. So if you guys liked it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to watch out for the new videos when they come out, and make sure to hit that notification bell to know when I upload new videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya!